What's up? What's up? And hey, I'm your funnel queen. Yeah, I just said that. Funnel queen of the Philippines. I'm claiming it, so don't argue. All right, anyway, so for today's video, this is actually a video for the newbies, for those who want to know what ClickFunnels is and what ClickFunnels does. So if you've been using ClickFunnels or you're already working with ClickFunnels, you've done funnels before, then this video is not for you, so just stop and move on to the next video. But if you're a newbie, you haven't used ClickFunnels before, then you should watch this video. All right, so once you logged into your ClickFunnels account, this is what you're going to see. This is going to be your dashboard. Okay, so you're going to see your name here, how many funnels you've built, if you have email subscribers, if how many visitors you have, or the funnel pages, how many funnels, and if you have um, oh, ClickFunnels has an amazing affiliate program. So you might want to check that out. So if you have affiliate earnings, it will show up in here. If you have, or if you've signed up to any other programs, you would see it here, your account. So you'll see everything in here. Okay, so on this part, you'll see your revenue. If someone purchased your product, you'll see your how many people opt in, how many page views, and stuff like that. You'll see everything on your dashboard. So, all right. So, for those who asked, or for those who are asking what ClickFunnels is, ClickFunnels is just a tool for you to be able to build a funnel. All right. So, if you're asking what a funnel is, then okay, I'll explain that on a separate video. But for this one, this is for ClickFunnels. Okay, so if you want to build your first funnel, all you need to do is you need to ClickFunnels. You click on funnels, and you'll be given an option. Okay, so let's add new. So you have an option to start building a funnel using the cookbook builder process or the classic funnel builder. I normally use the funnel builder, this one, the classic funnel builder. I don't know. I just like this one. It's much simpler compared to this one. But yeah, you can choose this or this one. Either of the two, it's the same. So I'll create a new funnel, and here, you need to choose the goal of the funnel that you're building. Is it to collect emails? Is it to sell a product? Or are you hosting a webinar? So, let's say this is for a lead magnet. You want to build your list. So, let's click this, collect emails, and you just have to name your funnel. So, I want to name it like, let's say, your lead magnet is for a free report. So I'll use that free report or whichever your lead magnet is. And for the group tag, let's just say lead magnet. For the group tag, I'll show it to you so it will show up here. The group tag would be just for you to identify the types of funnel that you have on your account. Let's say for this one, this is my client's funnel. These are the templates that I have. And then I've created another group tag, which is lead magnets. So all the lead magnets that I'll be creating will fall under lead magnets. So it'll be easier for me to find all the lead magnets that I have on the account. Just like that. Okay. So let's click on build funnel. I hope I'm not going too fast, but yeah. All right. Build funnels. And then that's it. So it will show you that for a lead magnet or for an opt-in funnel, for a funnel that for a funnel wherein you want to like collect email list, you need to have an opt-in page and a thank you page. All right, so let's try to create our first funnel here. So as you can see, there are tons of templates, actually well-designed templates in here, but I like to like create my funnel from scratch, but there are tons of well-designed templates in here. So let's just say okay, let's choose this. So we'll select this template. Okay, and then you need to click on edit page, so you'll be able to edit the page. This is the pa- um, page editor. So normally do, you can right click here and open in link, open link in a new tab, or you press a control button on your keyboard and then click this one. So it will open on the new tab. It will be easier. It's much easier than open this in this same tab and then go back and forth, go back and forth. It'll be easier this way. All right. So it looks like this. The editor looks like this. So you have settings in here if you need to um, set the integration, the SEO metadata, tracking code, CSS, a background, typography, general, and the pop up. This is the pop up. And if you want to add sections, you just need to click this one. You need to add row, columns, the elements, and if you need to save it and then preview it, this is the place where you're going to like create, edit your funnel pages. So on the next video, I'll show you how you'd be able to do all this inside the page editor. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.